How do you spell ballerina?
Personal life, meet professional life.
Give me a hand.
It took some fine-tuning. Let's call it a learning curve. But we found our groove and our boundaries.
With a different selection.
We discovered new ways to multitask. Yet working from anywhere still doesn't feel like it's working. Time to make work really work. And that means focus. Take on every meeting with confidence with Poly Studio P Series. A suite of solutions beautifully designed and engineered. Premium optics and sensors and advanced audio technology ensure you're seen and heard with incredible clarity. So when work needs to get done, you'll be focused, confident, and clear, and have the professional edge you deserve. Poly Studio P Series.